my car, nigga. Fuck wrong with him, bro? Shit, I can't see. What? How you turn the lights on? Shit, how you turn the lights on? How you turn the lights on? I don't want to Mac. Oh my God, I keep hitting my ass, bro. No, bro. Nah, hold on, bro. Let me slow down. Hold on. Yo, how you turn the lights on, chat? Cause I'm gonna get to an accident, bro. I'm gonna get to an accident. How you turn the lights on? Control L. It's not control. Chat, how you do this, chat? 4-1 Dodgers, bro. Y'all pissing me. Y'all pissing me off. Yo, chat, how you do it, chat? How you do Alt F4? Oh my God. I'm in there. I'm in there. Yo, this shit push! C63S, chat. It's a test drive, chat. Now this wheel feel OD. This wheel feel OD, chat. I just need to fix my pedals a little bit. Oh, good cuts. Oh my God, good cuts. Oh, hold on. Hold it. Oh, I hit this. Oh my God, I fucked my shit up. I fucked my shit up a little bit, chat. Put my shit up a little bit. Honda Accord 2008 V6. Oh, that shit burbling. And bad up there. I gotta fix my pedals a little bit, chat. Oh! Come on there. Oh my God, this wheel feels like life. This wheel not triangular. This wheel is fake tough. What am I mother this shit tough? I gotta fix my. I'm gonna keep driving till I'm Mac though. Put some tunes on. I wanna keep driving till I'm Mac. Hold on. And I'm giving go to video. I'm giving go to video, chat. I'm giving go to video. Hold on, chat. Oh, I'm about to fuck the transmission up. I'm doing some bullshit. Fuck it. We on the show. We don't give a fuck. Oh my God. I can't find a brake. Ain't gonna lie. Should I go at, yo, chat, should I go dumb fast and then see it without braking or nah? Wait. Is Cool Kid on? I might tell Cool Kid to get on. Nah, this wheel feels so nice. All the other wheels I've ever had don't feel like this. Well, I'm in there. 3-lane. I'm in there. You say yeah? Wait, he's on? Oh shit! Fuck! Hold on. Hold on, let me pull over, chat. Let me pull over, chat.